Up, I'm here with
Jamaican boy.
Jamaican boy.
Yeah, Kenya.
Yes, Jamaican boy Kenya.
Yes.
I'm here to support him, guys. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers for this young man.
Yeah, thank you.
Keep
guys.
supporting him so
Yes.
that he can leave Brian alone.
Yeah.
Now I'm here.
Yeah, boss. You know,
yes.
last day, I think it was yesterday.
Yes.
You tell me that they come with an OB.
Yes.
Yeah, you know.
He has arrived with the OB.
Yes.
You can show them, but you've
can
already
show you.
shown me on
Yeah,
my
I've
YouTube
already
video.
shown you. But I can
It is
show
true.
you. Yeah.
It's a true story, guys.
Yeah, not
True
that it's
story.
false.
It's not false.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Yeah, Jamaican boy from Kenya, Africa. Jamaican boy, Kenya, Africa. Please, guys, subscribe. Yeah, show love, watch and enjoy. Today is my day 5. Yeah, day 5 to go to Brian's home. Yeah, by assisting him to do his work by construction, his mansions, man. Yeah, okay, as you can see here, I'm on the way, yeah? I'm on the way with my serious driver here. As you can see, right now you can't see him because we are in the bad place. See how it's bad, guys. See how it's bad. Very bad. Here in Africa, our lots is very bad. So you can see here, if you do any single mistake, any step mistake, we fall down. So let me not confuse him, so that we go till we reach a good place. Yeah, I will show you my drive of today. Yeah, he's a nigga one. yeah, man. Yeah, as you can see the way the road is very bad. Yeah, you can see how the borehole is there. The borehole is on the way here. Yeah, this is the way, man.
Yep, bro.
Yeah, man.
Wagwan je?
Yeah, man.
Man is Jamaica.
Yeah.
From TZ.
Okay, man.
I'm driver.
Yeah. Okay. Let's now we are approaching the tarmac road now. You can see now we have already now in a tarmac. Now okay. Here is my driver for today. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
How are you? You are good, man.
I'm good, man.
Yeah, man. I can see you have a Rasta man. Yeah. You are comfortable, man.
Yeah, come to the Babylon. Man is the
Where are you from, man? You told me you are from Tanzania.
I'm from Tanzania.
Okay, from Tanzania. Guys, yeah, you can see I have a gangster here from Tanzania. He's at my border for today. Yeah, heading to a construction, man. Yeah, today I'm going with this man. Yeah, I'm going with this man. This man today is my border to a Brian's home, man. You kindly please follow me. Yeah, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe to me, guys. Yeah, I will be happy when I will reach the target. Okay, now I'm heading to 2K subscriber. So guys, please support to reach 2K. Subscriber, guys, please. Yeah, now here, as you can see, we are continuing with our journey. Our journey is going on now. Yeah. Today I have a nigga about the border. Yeah, as you can see here.
Yeah, come to the Babylon.
What's up?
I'm driving the road.
Yeah. He's a driver.
Yani from to Kihancha.
Yeah, from Kihancha
to border,
okay.
all of them.
Yeah, he's saying that. Yeah, his route of traveling border is from border to Kihancha. And why this morning I found you in this way? Mbona nimekupata kwa hii njia leo kama unapiganga route za border na Kihancha?
Leo nimepiga route za border.
Yeah. Okay, guys, he's telling me that today I have found him in this way because he takes someone from border to Masaba there, to my village, okay? Yeah, that's why today I have found him this way. As you can see, the journey is good. The journey is good. The journey to Brian is good, guys. You see, yeah? It's good. Now let's go together, guys. Support, please subscribe, comment, guys. Jamaican boy from African Kenya. Yeah, here I am. Yeah, I've decided to be frontier. The way I've told you to my previous video that I'm going to be frontier until the day we will finish the building the house, okay? Yeah, today is my day 5. Yeah, from my home to a Brian's home. From my home to a Brian's home. So guys, please kindly support me, and God will bless you. Yeah, let's go together.
Yap yo, funky.
Yeah, man.
Yap yo, funky.
Yeah,
Just improve the all that the drivers, all the borders. Yeah.
Okay, guys. Now, as you can see, the way we are moving, yeah, the journey is. We continue. It's a chilly morning. Yeah, it's a morning. That's why you hear that a wind blow. That's you hear a wind blow. Yeah, it's a chilly morning. We are heading there. Yeah, we are heading to Brian's home. But man, will that money will be enough to you to reach me to the construction? Hiyo pesa itatosha unifikishe huko penye naenda kwa mjengo?
Hiyo ndo haitoshi juu.
Yeah, he is saying the money is very low. Yeah, the money is not enough because kindly man, even this driver have do for me a favor because as from my home there to a Brian construction, it's around 200 Kenyan shillings. But you can see this man here is doing for me favor by 100 Kenyan shillings, and I appreciate. Thank you, guys. You see, he's a Rasta. Man.
Yap yo J.
Are you a Rasta, man?
Yap J Master.
J Master. Do you have a channel YouTube? Okay, guys, he's saying that don't have, here we have a live. We have a live at Nyabohanse now. Here we are at Nyabohanse Center now. As you can see, we are at Nyabohanse Center. Guys, go with me. We are going until we reach at the construction. Okay? Yeah. Let's go together, guys. Yeah, guys, the way I've told you that we are at Nyabohanse Center. Now you can see here is the center. Yeah, man. Okay. Heading to Brian's home. Guys, let's go together. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you see here is injection, yeah? Yeah, man. Let's go together. Jamaican boy again. Yeah, let's go together, guys. Jamaican boy again. Subscribe, guys. Comment, view, watch till the end, man. Yeah, that's it. If you watch till the end, you will see how the progress of the mansion of Brian is progressive. Okay. Let's see the progress of the mansion of Brian, okay? Yeah, today I've told you that I have come with my driver here, my nigga driver here. Guys, let's go to this. Yeah, man. As you can see now here, yeah, my driver here, boda, tell me that he will not take me up to the construction because Yeah, the amount I have is not enough. Yeah. Now I'm gonna pay him. I'm gonna pay him the amount that I have. I have it here, man. Yeah, you can see my good,
Yeah,
my
good
good
man.
driver.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. How are you? Great
Fine.
the camera. Great, great there.
Fine, man. Fine, good man.
Okay, are you good?
Fine, good man.
Yeah, this the boda who have taken me from the far away
Yeah.
from to my village there
Yeah.
to a village of Brian. You can see uh this one is a village of Brian, and the Brian's home is up there. Yeah, so I'm going to shoot. Yeah, I'm going to shoot up to there, using my leg, man. I've not become gold. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've not become an old. Now I'm going to pay my friend here.
Yeah.
Yeah, the amount I have, the amount that I have here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see inside here, guys. I just have only 100. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have only 100 in wallet. So don't think that I have not pay you because I have money and yeah, it's just this one. This one. This one is 100.
Yeah.
100 Kenyan shillings. 100 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, by the way, my friend,
Yeah.
let me say thank you
Yes.
because you have do for me favor.
Yes.
Yeah, you have do for me favor. So let me say thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah, so I'm going to pay him this 100.
Yeah, brother.
So guys,
Yeah.
is here. Take man.
Thank you,
Yeah,
man.
and thank you.
Thank you, man.
For your good heart.
Thank you,
Yeah,
man.
because you have taken me so far with
Yeah.
100.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and that I don't think that money it's a man that's coming from there up to here.
Yeah.
It's just a favor.
Yeah,
Thank
man.
you and God bless you.
Yeah,
Now
man.
let me continue with my journey.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, to a Brian's home.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Together.
Yeah, man. Together.
Together.
Just after finish of the
Work.
the,
After work,
after workers,
I will call you.
Call him.
Yeah.
Call me.
So you come for me.
Come for me. Come for me.
Yeah, man. I'm going to take his contact. So after I finish to volunteer there working,
Yeah.
I'm going to call him so that you will give me a rift or you will charge me money. I will pay you just 100. Eh?
Yeah.
The way you have brought me.
Yeah, I'm paid all soul. So,
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Jamaican boy, Kenyan, Africa.
Wagwan
Please,
G.
guys, subscribe, comment.
Wagwan G.
Yeah,
Wagwan G.
guys, wagwan.
Wagwan G.
Together.
Ah.
Yeah, man.
Wake G.
Aye. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Now I'm going to construction of a house, man. Now you just follow kindly till the end. Yeah. Yeah, man. Let's go. Yeah, man. The way I have told you that we are approaching now. I'm approaching to a Brian's home. As you can see here now, I'm approaching just near here. It's just near here. Yeah, as you can see, it's just near here. I'm approaching now. Yeah, as you can see, the mansion is already. Yeah, the mansion is already here. Yeah, the construction is going on. Yeah, the roofing is going on, but I can see the plastering. They have already finished plastering. Okay. Yeah, let me pass here. Let me pass here. Yeah, we are on the site now. Yeah, we have already started working. Okay. Yeah. This is the blocks. Was
Sasa.
This is the tiles, man, of our life. Tiles. Let me remove this one for you. We have already arrived on the site, eh? Yeah, tuko kwa site. Yeah, as you can see up there, yeah, the roofing is almost done. Yeah, as you can see, the roofing is almost done. Yeah, is almost done. Yeah, as you can see here, yeah, we are going on by taking the blocks to the site from where they construct it. Yeah, so we are removing them here. Yeah, to the place of work. We are taking there to the place of site there. Now guys, you just let's go on with the construction. You just follow, guys. Jamaican boy. Yeah, Jamaican boy, Kenya, Africa. Let's go on by working, okay? Yeah, this is the blocks. Yeah, we are taking them to the site now of construction. Yeah, as you can see, the construction is being done there. I'm going to show you where those bricks go. Yeah, we are taking the bricks to the construction site, the construction place. Yeah, there, as you can see, yeah, the boy have already arrived there. Yeah, let's go on. Okay.
That is it. Eh? Madung mar jamacha. Leromera. My 13. Adhi manyo simu ni omera. Baba manyo simu baba.
Yeah man, the way I told you that we are removing the blocks from where they do
From where they were constructed. Yeah, man.
To the site, eh?
Yes.
Yeah man.
Alright guys, you see the way he's doing it? Man, men at work. African men no joke, guys. We're really working hard to build Africa. Yes.
Yeah man, from the place of constructed this block up to here, it's some distance. So let's go guys.
Maybe.
Yeah, the way I told you that I will be volunteer till the end. Till the end. Yeah. Yes.
Hey, very strong.
Yeah, very good. It has weight.
Man.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, you see all of this. Yeah, this is my work. Okay? Yes. Yeah, you can see this is the work which these blocks are being done. The Fundis used the blocks to construct this small building. Yeah, I think this is toilet. Yeah? I think this is toilet.
Ndani.
Busy working. Yeah, we are very, very busy. Yeah, man.
The one taking the bricks and the construction site that I've already shown you.
From here to
Yeah.
construction.
Yeah, that's the Jamaican boy. That is Priska. Will be our cook. This Priska has just decided to offer us some food. Like we really feel good because now just Hey, this man is very is a hardworking person.
Why?
You, I'm talking about you.
Yeah, of course, man. Yeah. We have to put it through.
You have to send yourself
Yeah.
in order to earn a living.
Yeah.
But you're volunteering.
Yeah, I'm volunteer. I'm volunteering. Hey, Buddha. I can see a good work here. Hey, can see you're proceeding good. Yeah, man. Now this is the toilet, huh? Yeah, guys, you can see this the toilet. Yeah, the construct is a Buddha, is made for Buddha. Yeah, it's the mansion.
You can call me, when you like, call me top mason.
Top mess.
Top mason.
Yeah,
Hey.
Yeah,
when
man.
you like. But I'm Nico Buddha,
Yeah.
a junior boy,
Okay.
a boy from Shamba.
A boy from Chamba.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
I'm here,
A village boy.
a village boy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I'm here.
Yeah.
And this is
What's
you
the
can
meaning of
see
man?
and my fellow mason.
Tell me what's the meaning of man.
We are organized.
Yeah.
We say let us done today.
Okay.
Yeah, let us did until done.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. How do you feel in Jamaican?
Okay, me, I'm feeling good. Yeah, okay, you can see the construction is going on.
Yeah.
I can see them inside there. I can see here you have divided this room to be 3 rooms.
Yeah.
Okay, you mean
Maybe, this is a 2 room, 1 bathroom,
one bathroom,
And a
one
toilet.
one toilet.
and this is a corridor.
Oh, this is the corridor.
Oh, the
now you
pathway.
mean the door will be here.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
So already you are celebrate 1,000 subscribers.
Bro, I'm celebrating, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
How do you
1,000.
feel when you reach there, man?
Ah, man, I feel good.
Yeah.
Yeah, in fact, I feel good.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And guys, continue supporting us.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, as we continue with our construction here, assisting Brian's home. Waza. Let's go.
5 minutes.
Cancel. Yeah, man, you can see the construction is going on. The construction is going on here. You can see here. Yeah, man, I can see you here busy constructed. Okay.
Very hardworking person.
Yeah, he's hardworking. This hardworking mansion, huh?
Mason.
A mason. Okay. Yeah, guys, you can see he's just. Yeah, this is the dog. Hey, you know, how is it called? Huh? How is it called, this dog? His name. I want his name.
Madiba.
Madiba.
Poppy.
Oh, Poppy. How are you, Poppy? Poppy. How are you? Hi. Hi. Okay, you can see here we have even dogs, man. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, you can see the construction is going on. Yeah, I can see here plumber. A plumber is here. A plumber is here, guys. You can see. Yeah, this is the fire they used to burn. They use this fire for burning the plastic, this plastic pipe, eh? Yeah, to expand or to reduce the pipe oil. How are you, man? Yeah, man, fundi.
Yes.
Nakuaje? Yeah, you can see here, man. Yeah, the way they connect the pipe from one to each other. Yeah, man. This is the plumber. They are plumbing here. Yeah, as you can see, the people are very busy here. The manson are busy working. Yo, how are you, man? Can see you are busy here, constructing, doing a massive things. Yeah. Inaitwa vuruga. Okay, this is the vuruga. This was his. You can see. This one which he removing inside here, it doesn't have water, but it's wet. Yeah. After plaster with this one which is mixing with water here, you just put this vuruga on top on it. Kwa hivyo fundi, ukiweka hiyo inasaidia nini?
Hii inakausha.
Oh, inakausha haraka?
Yeah.
Upitishe mbao. Okay, guys. Yeah, you can see here the fund is too busy, the mason, and it's a very good fund, a very good mason. You are from Kenya?
No, Tanzania.
Okay, it's from Tanzania. This man is from Tanzania. I think the Tanzanians have a good fund, have a good mansion, man. You can see even the plaster. It's very good plaster. Yeah, man. Let me go around now, man. Yo, man. How are you? Okay. I can see you're busy working. Oh, you're just removing those soil? Okay. That's good job. Yeah, then after that you are going to paint the window. Okay. Yeah, man, this is the window. This is the window here, you can see. Yeah, this is the window here. You can see. The man here is very busy rubbing the cement and the dust which is sticking to the window. Yeah, that's why he's rubbing so that it become smooth. Yeah, and it will be simple now to apply the color. Eh? Okay, let's go now, man. Yeah, man. Fiti. Yeah, what's up? Can see here is work.
Yeah, I'm working here, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good, man. Now, after removing this, you are going to plant here grass, or?
Yeah, a grass.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, we call it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we call it. It's. You are going to put on the glass.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you are doing a good job, man.
Yeah, okay. Good, thanks.
Yeah. Yeah, man. What's up, man? What's up, man?
Kazi.
Okay. Ni janta, si ndio?
Janta mdogo.
Si ndio? Yeah, that's good, man. Let's continue. Me too, I'm working. Yeah, I'm working. I have my job there. Yeah, I'm around. Yeah. Yes, guys, this is water. This all of container here contain water, This water for construction, This all container, no container that doesn't have a water here. Each and every container here it has water. Each and every container here it has water. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The construction is still going on. Yeah, see how the room it is. See how the house it's look. Yeah, see now the look of the house. This is the room of Brian. Okay. Yeah, this is the room of Brian. I'm going to count these all rooms now. This is room number one. Yeah, this is room number two. Yeah, man. This is room number. Oh, no, this is the toilet. Room number 4. Number 3. This is room number 4. Yeah, guys, this is room number 4. Don't know this room is for what. Okay, let's move. Let's go on. Yeah, man, let's go on. Yeah, this is the sitting room. You can see how it's big. The sitting room is very big. Very big sitting. This is a sitting. Okay, this is a master bedroom. You can see it's very big, very big master bedroom. And this is the toilet. Yeah, for master bedroom. I think this is the toilet of master bedroom. You can see. Yeah, and this one here is a room of Vista's room. Yeah, you can see, guys. This is a Vista's room. Guys. Yeah, and let's go. Let's continue. Let us continue working. Yeah, this is the iron sheet. Yeah, and yeah, man. This is the roofers. Yeah, man. I can see you have very big beard. Big beard. Yeah, and big beard. Okay, how do you maintain your beard? This one. Yeah.
So just save.
Yeah.
Shape. Then you leave it.
Do you apply the color?
There's something that you apply.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the oil. Do you apply oil?
There's what we call petrol.
Okay. 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 Are you a Muslim? But because I see many Muslims. They usually. Yeah.
Muslim.
Yeah. You are Christian. Okay, yeah, man. Yeah, this is a roofer, and this is a handman of a roofer here. Yeah, you can see the work is going on there. Yeah, yeah, the work is going on. Now, guys, let's work. Let's work now. Yeah, where are you taking the wheelbarrow, boys? Where? Yeah, man. You want to take bricks? Okay. Okay, man, let's continue. Let's continue by taking these things up there. Yeah, man. This is the blocks. This is the blocks. Yeah, man. Can see now the ceiling board is here. Is this ceiling board? Huh? This is the ceiling board. You don't know? This is the ceiling board, bro.
How sure are you?
Sure.
How sure are you? That's the question. How sure are you?
I'm sure because
Bro, na unazichafua. Mister, kona yako ni safi. Nasema yangu.
Wewe mrekodi utakaje hata usituko kwa kazi.
Sawa, sawa.
Amesema tu mara moja.
Labda nimezitafuta chafaje na nikoni kwa kazi.
Yani amesema tu kwa mfano hivi, for example, for the sample.
Kwa kazi wote baki chafuke.
Give me freedom. Give me power. Unaishika aje? Wamekuonyesha design ya kuishika.
Hapo kila hapo kwa hapo hivi. Hapo ndani.
how do you call this one?
I think we can just call them ceiling board because they are the one at this. This might the one called ceiling,
Yeah,
and then that one called the board.
yeah.
Then you combine the names, become ceiling board.
Okay, now the seal, this is the seal and the board is not here.
This is the ceiling.
Yeah.
The timbers that are used to support.
Oh,
hold
this
it.
one.
Yes, those are now the boards. So
Okay.
when you combine, they
It's
become
called
the
ceiling board.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
as
you are
you
now
can see
trying
here.
to
The
move them from the pickup
Yeah,
to inside.
to inside the store.
Yes, at
the store
store.
room.
Yes. So
Okay.
you're now doing these are
You're doing a great job.
yes. So yes.
Okay, I think. Yeah. The work is good here.
Yeah, the work is moving.
The
We
work
really
is
thank
moving.
Almighty for the way I can see today the materials are coming.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
the material is coming,
God is
man.
doing something.
God is great.
I'm very sure even God right now is just calculating the expenses that are supposed to be used
Yeah.
and the one that have been used.
Yeah.
Because you can see the cements are arriving,
Yeah.
the tiles.
Everything.
I really thank Almighty. Yeah. That's party. Party, putty. Still party.
Okay, they came with cement.
Yes.
I can see.
More bags of cement.
Yeah, more bag of
That
cement.
is party.
Oh, that's party.
Party.
What's the work of party? This party.
Oh, yes, you know party.
What's the work of this party?
Yes.
Ya chini. You know there are two. Imeshavunjika.
Sasa hiyo ilifaa kwa hapo hivi ilifaa.
This one here have been broken, man.
Hiyo kitu unainua hivi kama umeshika hivi. Alafu unainua.
Hiyo ni njaa inasumbua. Come on, fundi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Can see you are constructing something here important.
I'm just building for the radar.
Oh, radar.
Yeah.
Oh, for you,
Sitting inside.
for putting ceiling inside. Okay.
Yes.
This what you will be stepping. It's called the radar. Okay. You know, I've ever seen this one. Today is the first round to see this thing. Yeah, man, this is the radar. Yeah. It's used for putting ceiling board inside the house there, inside the mansion. You can see how the fund is preparing it. Yeah, man. It's that way. Okay, the construction of toilets, you can see how is it proceeding. It's proceeding good. Have you tired? Okay. Hey, where this dog? Hi. What's up? What's up? It's hard. Anasema good job. This Buddha.
Yes, man.
The mansion.
I'm here.
Buddha is here.
Yes.
Doing some good job here. Constructing.
Jamaican boy.
Yeah, yeah.
As you can see, we are here.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes. Need to complete this toilet
Okay.
in a single day.
This toilet, will you put the rental?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I think it's not today.
It's not today?
It's not today. Maybe you can wait
Yeah.
like 5 hours.
5 hours?
Yes.
From now?
We need dry.
Yeah, it's dry fast.
So we can see if we are making
Yeah.
rental today, so we can.
Okay.
But if it's not dry,
Yeah. It can fall down.
yeah.
Yeah, of course.
All is still wet. As you can see.
Okay. It's still wet.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. When a mason Buddha man put the rental here, it may be fall down because it's wet.
Yes, it's not even things by now.
Yeah.
Yes, maybe tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow
Yeah.
we'll put the rental.
And the roofing,
The roofing
the following day
after
after tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, I think today is on Saturday. Tomorrow will be Sunday, and the day after tomorrow will be Monday.
Yeah, maybe
Oh, so Monday we'll do roofing, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be here. We'll be here. Yeah? Today is on Saturday, bro. Yeah. Today is on Sato. We are not talking about Friday or Saturday. Yeah, we are talking about how construction will go. Yeah, man, this is a Bongo man. Yeah, a man from TZ. He don't understand any English here. Yeah. English is not available to him.
English is not available.
Yeah, man.
Not difficult for Tanzania.
It's very difficult. How are you doing?
Yeah. I see.
Your hand, man?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's continue working here.
Yes.
Fundi? Okay, Buddha, you are saying that this is the last course you are putting now?
Yeah, before that.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. Today we are here till... Yeah, man. Let's go on with construction. You can see here security is tight. Yeah, we have dog here. This dog is for security. This dog is for security. It's 16. This dog is for security, man. You can see. How do you feel? You know, the dog of village Africa doesn't understand anything. Yeah. It's not like that you was there from our blood. Yeah, it's for security only. It's for security.
Hivi hapo ni simenti ngapi kuna? Tukipima itakuwa ya nini sasa? Nipime ama? Pima mbili. Ni bara mbili. Sawa sawa.
You can see how the proceeding of construction of toilet is good. Yeah. We have the security guard here. Yeah, the one I've added. Yeah, you see this one? This one here is for security purpose. And this one here is for security purpose. I think all of them are men dogs. Yeah, no woman here. No woman dog. Yeah. Yeah man, the construction is going on. It's going on. It's going on. Yeah, waiting for, you know, it's lunch hours, but it's not yet done. We are waiting for it now. It's down there. Preparation of lunch, guys.
Exactly. It's one of our favorite veg, guys. Actually, it can't miss in each and every meal.
In every home.
In every home. In fact, if you see that.
This is the ugari.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. So I'm here preparing.
Yeah, guys, as you can see, this is the ugari. This is the preparation of lunch.
He was my co-chef.
Yeah.
Yeah, during the big
Here,
exactly.
Yeah, so I'm
today, the cook of our lunch today is Priska Sagati. Yes, you can see how he's preparing the food, yeah? Yeah. I have decided to bring you tour here so that you see how the food that we eat here to site, how is it prepared? How is it being prepared? You can see.
yeah.
Alright, guys.
Capsicum. Or bell pepper.
This is the egg.
Bell pepper.
Guys, this is the egg.
See?
This is the
Yeah.
onion and tomato.
I really love the way
This is
it
the
has a lot
capsicum.
of fat around it. That means that this
This is
cow here
the
was
tomato that I've already
Not all of
cut.
them.
Yeah, do you know something?
This is the onion.
Yes. You see that guy? He's the one to eat the eggs. He doesn't use meat.
I know.
This is the meat.
Today, guys. Today,
No meat, no.
That's why I brought a lot of eggs.
Please can you this?
Yeah, this is the kale.
You are busy.
Yeah.
Yeah, be careful.
This used you
Hey guys.
can't eat meat with the ugari without these scales. Yeah, without skuma. Skuma is making food to be sweet. Yeah, you know, here in village, when you eat meat without this sukuma, it's not good. It's not advisable.
And after that I'll put
But you can eat.
after the tomatoes I'll put the meat,
Yeah, man.
the coriander, bell pepper, then for garnishing then
This is the kitchen of today. You can see that it's in a bush. Yes.
because eggs are supposed to
This is the food of the site people. Yeah, they are preparing for us. Yeah, the food they are preparing for us. Yeah, as you can see here.
be very well cooked by Priska Sagati.
Yeah.
I know you're all the time.
Yeah, man.
We have flavor.
I've decided to take you a tour
Everyone is eating, they're like, oh,
here.
oh my god.
chef behind this meat actually has done a great work.
Yeah, today's chef, Priska Sagati, is here.
Sauce.
Yeah.
You know, right now it's called a sauce, right?
Right now it's sauce.
Exactly.
After we put
It's
the
sauce.
meat,
The meat
Yeah.
is gonna be gravy.
gravy.
Okay. Guys, I'm learning new words, guys.
Yeah, gravy.
Yeah.
We are spicing the meat.
Hey, today will be like last day, yesterday.
Oh,
Yeah,
yesterday
man.
it was nice.
Yesterday was nice. Yeah, because we drank even a soft drink, soda.
Soda.
Yes.
Hey, me, the money I had,
Yeah.
it couldn't be enough for soda. And also,
Yes, hey.
Can I know how many people are around here?
There are about
Maybe
40.
unless I confirm with
There are about
I
30.
want to pick a food.
Awatafika 40, maybe just carry
27.
around to 30
30.
plates.
Yes,
That,
yes.
maybe 30
Yeah.
or 35 people.
Hey, this ugari. Haitaungua. Eh. Okay. The ugari is ready. The ugari is ready here, you can see.
Do you see how it looks?
Yummy
So
already.
nice. You wanna get your-
Yum.
Looking for a good?
Jamaican boy. Africa, Jamaican boy.
Oh guys, today people wanna
Africa.
enjoy, man. Today is today.
This is the food of
That
sight
is
people.
it.
Sight people. Yeah. Those who are working there.
Wow.
Today Priska Sagata have decided to make for us a party. A lunch party. This is a lunch party now.
A lunch party.
Wow, guys.
Yes.
See the way we are doing it. That is it, guys.
Guys, for us, we believe whenever you get free food, you call it a party.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
You know, so far so good. We've been receiving a lot of surprises.
Wow, really?
Yes, we've been actually having meals, surprise from supporters, actually it's like people, subscribers, and
Yeah man. Yeah man. We are here. Yeah, we are here. Yeah, in the site. So today, this is the kitchen of today. Yeah, they have decided to. Priska Sagati have decided to make us for lunch. Yeah, you can see here is a big lunch, big, very big lunch. So today I think we are going to be satisfied, like last day, okay? Yeah, like last day.
The music used to sing when say fire, baby. What did it mean? What does it mean? Jamaican voice. What does it mean? Because I think it's a DJ.
Yeah,
the sound that
the fire, baby.
Fire, baby. What does it mean?
guys, Priska Sagati is crazy.
Okay, fire, baby. I think is an effect. It's an effect.
Oh, it's a voice effect.
Yeah, it's a voice effect. Not
I was
that.
like, where is
It's
that
not.
fire burning?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eh.
Yeah,
So guys, it's like that.
So it's time for us to, I think, remove the ugali and start preparing sukuma wiki from.
And that they will run by, and they will, when they come here, they must make a queue. Yeah, not that
They are very disciplined.
they are not serving randomly.
That's good. That's good. Discipline is the best thing.
Yes. Yes, guys. This is the kitchen of today. You are here inside. You are here inside to Brian's home. This is the here inside. Yeah man, yeah man. This is the kitchen of today here inside. Yeah man. Yeah, with the Priska Sagat here.
I think I have to start removing. Auntie Mary, unaonaje hili jiko tuanze kupikia hapo sukuma? Sufuria ya sukuma iko wapi? Sufuria ya sukuma iko wapi? Na ya mayai. Itatosha kupika sukuma.
Ona. Kuna yule nani boda wako unajua ako pale anasema anakupigia simu. Yule ulikuja naye? Si angekuja. Hiyo ya dendi. Nimwambie akuje. Nani? Si akuje. Akuje na hizo vitu. So my pot is ready.
This is a sufuria.
Oh, my sufuria?
Yeah.
It's also a pot.
Is a pot? Okay. I think a pot was that for.
This shows that it's ready.
Yeah, man.
Auntie Mary. Auntie Mary. Yeah. Tunafanyaje? Kuhusu ugali? Kuhusu kunini kupikia? Kupikia. Sisi kutoa tu ugali.
Friska. Napikia nini wananchi?
Mambo, nataka tusaidie kwa hiyo sufuria. Guys, our meat is ready.
Kama ni off.
Guys,
You can
our
see
meat
this
is
the
ready.
egg.
And it's ready to be removed.
Yeah, this is the
So
egg.
it's time for us to do the eggs. Gonga gonga kabisa hayo mayai.
This is the egg that have been breaked. Yeah, you can see now here, but it's not ready for take. Yeah. You see how he's doing. Wow, even you can drink this. Yeah, you can drink this one. Yeah, you can see. I love, yeah. Amazing chef. Amazing chef is here. Priska Sagat. Kumoja Priska.
All these are eggs, guys. Wow. This is meat. The ugali is over there.
You can see here Auntie is very busy. Very busy. Preparing for lunch. Yeah, and this lunch is for us, not for anyone. It's for us people of sight here. Yeah, man. You can see people are there. Okay, let's go together. You can see here. Yeah, you can see here people are very busy working, and that food that is being preparing there is for these people here. It's for these workers here in the site. Yeah, it's for these all people here in the site, man. Yeah, man. You can look. Mmechapa kazi.
Umeona?
Hebu
bana, hebu ninunulie hata soda.
Bana. Yeah, you know, there is a food that is being preparing there. Is for you guys. So don't worry about your stomach. Don't worry. Yeah. Today will be like yesterday. You know, yesterday we had Christmas here. We had a party of food. And today will be same like last. Today will be like yesterday. Yeah, you know these people are working here. and those one there, and those one all over there. We are waiting for lunch. That food which is being prepared down there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You can see the proceed. You can see the proceed of a mansion is well going. Is well going here. You can see it's well going here. Yeah. Just see. It is very, very, very well going. Yeah. My friend. My friend. Jamaican boy from Africa.
Yeah, this Saturday.
Wola, wola.
Wola.
What's up, man?
What's good?
I can see here now you are busy. Today you are busy. Yeah.
Trying to do them.
Chacha tells.
Yeah,
man. I'm fine.
Yeah, you know we've not met since morning.
I was just here around.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you know I was in the other side there. Yeah,
Sometimes
doing.
you get busy.
Yeah,
So
I was
today
busy. I can see here. You are painting the window.
Yeah.
Okay.
So how's everything, my friend? You know, from yesterday.
Yeah, things are good. Yeah, and I'm going well.
Oh, you're going well?
Yes.
That's nice to hear. I'm also doing well.
Yes.
Today I'm trying to do the windows.
Okay, can see.
Yeah.
Okay, now you don't worry. The food down there is being prepared. Yeah, don't worry about your stomach.
Another goat again.
Today is another shere.
Yeah.
Yeah, today is another shere. Wolan. You know down there there is I have been there. Yeah, so Sagati Priska have tell me that today.
Oh, she's there.
Yeah, today is a part after part, like tomorrow, like last day.
I'm coming back.
Yeah, man.
So, Jamaican boy.
Yeah.
How are you, my man?
I'm fine.
So you see, we are really finishing.
The progress is good.
Yeah. There we were.
Yeah, let's pass here.
Yeah. So guys, I'm also Chacha Tales. Kindly check me out. This is my best friend around here, guys.
Yeah.
So check me out. Today I've been able to. I'm not able to shoot content.
Yeah.
My phone is really
shut down.
Yeah, no, problems after problems. I cannot upload.
Yeah, man.
But we are nice.
Okay.
So we are here.
Yeah.
Let's visit our sister here to see what she's doing.
Okay. You have said that you will not sit up there until you be called. Okay. Yeah, now we are here. Yeah, the chief chefs. Chief chefs.
Chief chef is preparing the chef.
Yeah.
I'm chief chefing. I'm almost done.
Yeah.
Yeah, nipe mayai sasa. Because you came, you have to work.
Yeah.
So we are here, guys. Let's help Priska.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bring the onions, please.
Onions now.
Yeah.
Let me tell those people to be prepared.
Okay.
Yeah, their stomach.
Yeah. I've found where
I tell them to be prepared their stomach.
Okay, go and tell them to be prepared.
Yeah.
Yeah. For the egg,
Yeah, guys. I'm going to tell them to be prepared because the lunch is almost. The lunch is almost, guys. Okay. Yeah, man. Let me tell them to be prepared. I'm starting with the Buddha. With the Buddha, Nico Buddha is here. I'm going to start to tell him to be prepared because lunch there, I can see lunch is almost. Why Buddha? Lunch is almost, Buddha. Yeah, be prepared. Prepare your stomach. Yeah. So don't worry. Lunch there. I come from down there. You know, today will be like tomorrow. Yesterday.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is it like yesterday?
Yeah, today. Like yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah. So don't worry about lunch. It's being prepared. Yeah, and it's almost. Yeah, man.
Yes.
I can see here you are very hungry. Eh?
Somehow.
Somehow?
Yes.
You are hungry, eh? But lunch is almost ready there.
So what's the time?
The time I think now is lunch hours.
Okay.
Yeah, it's lunch
So
hours.
maybe that's why. You know, we've been working since morning.
Yeah, since morning.
So it follows that we are hungry in some way or the other.
Of course.
Yes.
Hungry is part of life.
Yes.
Yeah.
Especially maybe if you are on a construction site.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know. Of course.
You really need to eat a lot of energy giving food.
A lot of energy. Okay, we have to eat so that we gain energy.
Yes.
Yeah, so that we gonna do more work.
Because you know right over here you use a lot of energy.
Yeah.
A lot of it, so
Okay.
you need to eat a lot of possibly carbohydrates.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Let's now. Okay. We are waiting. It's me. I'm going to call you here. You know me. I'm assisting there. Prince Kasagati is a chief chef of today down there.
You're helping her to cook.
Yeah.
Do you know how to cook?
Allah.
What have you been cooking?
Me, I was to bring to him those viungo like a potato, tomato, tomato, onions. Yeah, she was sending me. Me was a handman.
So basically,
I was handman there.
Basically, you are not cooking.
Yeah, I was not cooking, but I am part of cooking. I was there helping. Yeah.
You could have said so.
Yeah. Okay.
So guys, if this is connect to Fiverr,
Yeah.
you can check me over there.
Yeah, man.
Connect CONNECT to Fiverr's one word.
Yeah, man.
Please subscribe.
Yeah, man. I think now the food is ready. Yeah, lunchtime. I think lunchtime is ready. We are going to take lunch now. Yeah, we are going to take lunch. Lunch is ready. Watu mkuja site ya lunch sasa. Site ya lunch sasa. Mimi si kuchoka, njaa. Njaa ingine mingi sana. Kumbe hata bado. Yeah guys, the way I told you that it's lunch hours, now it's lunch. You can see now, everyone have his plate. Now the food is ready here. The food is ready.
Over here.
Okay.
Yes, and there is meat, guys. There is meat.
Yeah.
That is it. Yes, this is my plate. Camera. This is Kasagati's camera.
You can
Nani
see.
anajitolea kusafu gari?
My friends.
Haya, bazanga kuzaka.
See, it's beautiful, guys.
Haya, sosi pale.
That is it.
Wende upige watu visosi. Piga watu visosi.
Camera, guys.
Laini jamani.
Mbona simama hapa hivi? Tunataka laini.
GoPro 13, man. Wow, I can't wait to own such a big camera. One day it will gonna come. One day I will. One day I must. And one day it's gonna manifest. I believe that. Guys,
Yeah, the way I've told you that.
Yeah, man.
It's
How are you?
lunch. It's lunch.
It's lunchtime.
Lunchtime.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
All right, guys.
Yeah, man.
So we are making a queue because actually
We are many. That's why you see we must make a queue because we are many. We are about 20. Today we are about 20. Today we are about 20 people. Yeah. That's why you see you have made
Line.
Yes. Yes, uncle.
Yeah, man. Line.
Line. We'll make a queue.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah,
you,
man.
uncle.
Every time.
Uncle Jamaican uncle.
Big up every time, man.
Yeah, man. Yes.
How are you, Fundi? Fundi, enjoy Fundi. To enjoy. Big surprise. We never expected this, man. We have to enjoy. That is it, guys.
Uweze tumia sahani mbili na kuna watu hawajatosha.
Yeah, supper. Maybe a lunch.
Yes, itakuchukua kama thumbnail.
Today is like yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah, as you can see
like
here.
yesterday.
Yes. You eat.
Utafanya utaja.
Unajua wengine hawajapata. Oh, kumemwekea.
All right, guys. Yeah, man. We wanna eat. Yes. All right.
My friend. Yeah, man. It's lunch time. Lunch hour. Imefika ile muda ya kula.
There is beef, there is mutton. Yes, we used to eat only during Christmas holidays. But right now, every day is a Christmas day.
Yeah, man.
Oh man, yeah, man. But this guy,
That is it.
you eat a lot.
That is it.
That is
Kizo.
Let me enjoy the soup.
Enjoy. Whoa. Kizo for you here.
My friend.
Whoa.
Hey. May God bless. Hey, my friend. What is that?
Hey, big nyama, big ugali. Man, the soup is really thick. Wow.
That's now the advantage of having the aunt at the serving point.
Hola. Yeah.
Wow, guys.
So amazing.
Man, it's crazy.
Vicky, unasikiaje leo baba? Ukoje?
Leo ya bure ni mingi.
Leo.
Ya bure ni tamu kuliko kulipa.
Mingi. Nalipanga hapa so hata sishibi. Lakini ya bure.
It's a big surprise, man.
Yeah, big surprise. You can see how people are enjoying here.
Eating, guys.
And enjoy.
Guys, consider giving the video a like, subscribe if you haven't, share it. I will appreciate to my level best. Ken Chronicles here. If you love me, call me KC.
Ugali balance unakula ugali.
A boy from Jamaica.
Yeah, man. Now it's me.
Let ugali not finish.
Madiba.
Is it Chris?
Hatujala tafadhali. Mwe watu Madiba. Sukuma imebaki.
Yeah, man. The way I told you that we're gonna take lunch. You can see now how our lunch is sweet, yeah?
Eti tunaweza kula kabla watu wale. Sisi ndio tunakuwa mwisho. Sawa. Sisi ndio tunakuwa namba last. Baada wamemaliza. Fresh baridi.
Have you ever taken meat, eggs, and the kales? And a huge soup? Na kaugari kadogo. Don't put more ugari. Because when the mboga is many, make sure the kaugari is small, okay? Hey, Mura.
No, what they villa.
Wewe nani? Wewe umeshiba muongeze.
Mayai.
Mboga ndio hivyo.
Ukuli. Pakulia nyama. Jamani, si unishikie kamera waongee. Uniambie chakula ilikuwaje? Mwanze na wewe. Ai, wewe. Hebu nikuonyeshe. Mimi. Guys, I'm serving me. So I want also to test the meal and get to know how does it taste. After everyone has eaten, I'm number last to eat.
So I'll come to you last. Tell me what.
Hey, you know to eat is very sweet.
Kizo here.
Very sweet.
Ask these people how they feel about the food.
Yeah.
My friend.
Yeah.
Jamaican boy.
Yeah, man.
How are you?
Fine.
How do you feel the food?
The food is sweet.
Sweet.
Yani it's more sweet.
Oh,
It's
wow.
not the way I expect it. It's not that the way I expect it.
So what did
In
you
fact,
eat?
it's sweeter than for yesterday. It's sweeter than for yesterday.
What did you eat?
Here I eat mayai, nyama, mayai meat and the kales and the ugari at the side way. Okay.
Rate it out of 10.
Okay, me I thank Priska Sagati for preparing for us very sweet lunch.
Rate the food out of 10.
Out of 10,
Yeah.
9.
Where does you take that one?
9 of 10.
Where do you take that one?
Where is that one? What is the problem? Why did you take out that one?
Out. I've taken out 1
Because
the food delayed. Delayed.
that one cannot be a reason.
That cannot be a reason.
Huh?
We're talking about the flavor and the taste.
Oh, the flavor.
Yeah. Not the time, no, not whatever.
Okay. Out of 10, maybe I can say it's 10 over 10.
10 over 10.
Yeah.
Top notch.
Top range.
Okay.
Yeah.
My friend,
Yes,
are you satisfied?
I'm satisfied.
You are not satisfied.
I'm satisfied. I've really eaten like crazy. Yes, the food was amazing. The food was delicious. I ate beef
Supu nyama.
and ugali. Sukuma wiki scale, guys. Wow. It was amazing. I really enjoyed myself. I can't complain. And actually, if I can be given a chance to rate it in a scale of 1 to 10, I'll go with 9.9.
9.9.
Yes.
Round it off to the nearest.
100.
That is 10 out of 10.
Exactly.
Hey, my friend,
Exactly.
now you eat for the third dish.
Yeah,
The
I'm
third time.
giving it 11 out of 10.
11.
It was
Reason?
amazing.
1.
Amazing.
I've been in this site for more than 5 days. I've never tasted a sweet food like this. Like this?
Kuma,
Hey, Priska.
I've not tasted the mayai.
Keep on coming each and every
The
day.
nyama now, perfect. So
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10. Wow. 110.
Yeah, now the work is ongoing. We have already finished for lunch hour. Now the work is started. The work is going. Yes, sir. This is the safe tank. This is the safe tank. They're just preparing a safe tank. This is after taking heavy lunch. Now we are here. We are here doing some work. Yeah. Digging a safe tank. Yeah, for kitchen. Yeah, I think the pipe is from up there up to inside there. The pipe will coming from the kitchen room up to inside there. We are preparing the safe tank. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah man, the work is on now, going after taking a heavy lunch. Now the work is ongoing. As you can see here, connector 254 is inside, removing the soil. Yeah, you know, here we are preparing the hole. How is it called? Connector. You don't know?
I don't know it's called.
It's rat pit. Yeah, man. We are here now. We are preparing a safety tank. Yeah, safety tank, or yeah, it's a safety tank. So that you see, this after heavy. This is the spade. This is the spade, which we use to remove the. We use this to remove the soil from inside here. You can see. You can see. Yeah, guys. Yes, the work is ongoing here after taking heavy lunch, okay? Yeah, after taking heavy lunch, this is the work now. We are continuing with this. We continue with this work here now after taking heavy lunch. Okay, bro, you just nakuona. Sima hapo bro, hapa ni mbele. Hata ikinigonga. Ni kazi twende. Yeah, man.
Umefika wapi? Oh, sasa ukifika Nyabwansi utaniambia. Karamu ataja, wajua kwenye sisi.
Yeah, man. The way I told you that after lunch we will have a heavy work. Now the work is here now. We are trying to build safety thing. It has to be like 8 feet going down. You can show them the progress of the mansion. Yeah, the work is heavy, man. Yeah.
Two minutes. 2 minutes 18 seconds.
5 minutes.
2 minutes. Nikata ama niendelee?
Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, this is the tiles. Yeah, the tiles of putting to the mansion of Brian's home. You can see.
This is the tile guys. Sasa, tueni pole pole, let's remove them slowly.
I told you, the work till evening, man. Let's go.
Beba, anguka naye. Anguka naye.
Siweke tu.
Yo, let's go. Yeah, man. Haile. Brian. How are you?
I'm fine.
Today you are bored. What? Oh, you told me that you were sick.
Acha kushika vidole. Nakupiga ngumi. Tapata content. Thank you guys. I have my friend here. We call him Mongosi. This is who
Wayne.
is calling Wayne. Thank you guys for supporting me. Watch and subscribe. Yes, nilikwambia kuna video vitawekwa hapo.
Sasa hii inafaa ipakwe rangi yako huko ama yako ndio ipakwe rangi. Mtu wa rangi, kazi ndio hii. Wai. Wacha kulala. I'm telling the guy who's trying to not to sleep. So this thing, guys, will be put there. This man is very good. Hey, what's your name? John. Hey, he's a very hard working man. He came today, I gave him money, and he has delivered. Then I'll keep working with him. And those are the guys with the tiles. Tomorrow they are starting tiles. Kesho wanaanza tile with Mo Ibra is here also. Tile guy tomorrow. 6 in the morning. Kijia mtu wa maji mwambie saa 12 anahitajika hapa. Maji hivyo ni mengi hapa. Fine. Everything is here. How much money did you spend? Tell that guy to see. Actually, we even everything. No, you're lying. The last batch that we paid 8,000 everyone on the watch, you're gonna have my phone. Why are you saying now?
Kupiga ngumi. Unaona ni hivi nitengeneze kesho nyumba ya umbwa.
Anakuletea
Kwa nikuja nifuge umbwa.
Yeah man, gypsum. Yeah. Yeah, you know, it's gypsum. Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys.
You know, we are taking gypsum from outside to inside the store.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that you know, outside there, when we leave it outside there, maybe the rain, when it's come to rain, the gypsum will be. Okay, this the 10 and the R6. The 10 and R6. This one.
The job is really hard, guys. Hey, and also, guys, I'm a friend to Jamaican Boy.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Yeah.
man. Jamaican boy. You guys go search it's Robbie David.
Yeah.
Subscribe to him, support him, guys.
Yes.
And comment. One love.
One love to
Let's
us
show-
African people.
Let's show love.
Yes.
Let's show love, people. Us with the Brian here. Yeah, Brayo.
The Concord Babe with the big head. With the big nose.
Yeah, he's here. Brayo, come on, come on.
Go,
Come
go
on,
there.
Brayo.
Yeah,
How are you, friend?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Yeah,
I can say today
yeah.
why today you look bored. You look bored. Why?
Because
Yeah.
I'm wake up,
Yeah.
I'm feeling headache.
Okay, you feel like a headache, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry,
So
sorry.
I go to hospital.
You go to hospital?
Yeah.
Yeah?
The doctor say
Yeah.
the malaria
Oh,
she
then
hide.
okay, okay, you have
So-
an disease called the malaria.
Yeah.
Okay.
So she say
Yeah.
I go to buy a net.
Okay, okay, the doctor told you go and buy a net.
Yeah.
Okay, Brayo. Okay, net.
Yeah.
So that it prevents
The
the mosquito to don't bite you.
yeah.
Yeah, you know, guys, a mosquito is the one which transfer the disease called malaria.
And the
So-
blood.
And the blood, yeah, and okay, malaria and the blood, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, the Brayo today I realized when I saw him at the first time, I realized that the Brian, he looked like he's not feeling well. So guys, you know Brian, me I have lived with the Brian.
Yeah.
Yeah, one home, one house. So I know his behavior somehow. So when I come up with him today, I saw like he's feeling unwell. To do some okay. Let's say, Brian.
Yeah.
Now you want to tell me that today, the right now
Yeah.
is not just like morning.
Yeah.
They just wake up.
So I go to hospital.
Yeah,
Doctor say,
yeah, man. Tell people something.
guys, watch to Jamaican Boy.
Yeah, man.
Subscribe,
Yeah, man.
comment, and
Yeah, man.
leave a comment there.
Leave a comment there,
A
man.
comment sweet.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yes, Brayo. Brayo is my young brother here. Yeah, I'm with him. Here is his old home. Is his old home. Kuja, that's when you're camera. Kita hivi na camera hapa. Brayo is like my young brother. Yeah, so guys, I'm just here with the Africa guys. Yeah, please support.
Watch and comment.
Okay. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.